Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're actually in Mexico, Tulum, with my friend Jason, who's an amazing photographer, and I thought, why not do some behind the scenes where Jason is shooting to show you guys something a little bit different.
Yeah, we're gonna try and get some sunset portraits with two beautiful girls, and it's a little overcast right now, but hopefully the sun will come out and we'll create some magic.
Yeah, so just let's get started.
I think we're gonna try in this little puddle here. I'll get you to back up. We'll go.
While you walk, can you tell me what you're shooting with?
I'm shooting the 55 Zeiss Sony lens, and I'm shooting on an A7R3 Sony as well, mirrorless. For all those haters. I'll get you on your knees. Yeah. Bring your feet together on the back, knees apart, feet together. Nice. Maybe knees a little further apart. Yeah. Good. Nice. Shooting 1/800 and wide open at 1.8. Nice. It's gorgeous. Beautiful. With this girl, you don't have to really direct too much. Just let her do her thing. Gorgeous. Love it. Beautiful. See if I can get some of these wings coming through. Nice. Even grab the bikini. Yeah. Nice. Gorgeous. Cute. One more. Those are dope. Let me see. Because our sun is backlit, I'm almost thinking of shooting the other direction. It might not be as pretty of a background, but we might get more like color saturation on her, so we'll give that a whirl as well. Maybe over here where it's a little shallower. Good. Let me see what that's like in comparison. No, I lied. I like the backlit better. Normally not my style, but I'm gonna get it as low as possible here. Nice. So good. Get a bit of reflection in the water from her. Adds a nice little detail. Good. All right, we got that. We're gonna bust out some film, see what we can get on there. I just picked up this camera before the trip. It's a Praktica MLT3. We'll see if it works. Has a built-in light meter, so I think my exposure is good. And then got an ND filter on it so I can shoot wide open at 1.8. It's 55mm lens. I think I'm in focus, and 1, 2, shit. Gotta wind the film. And I think we're in focus. 1, 2, gorgeous, love that hair. One last camera, the trusty old Google Pixel 2. So good. Nice. Go back up, yeah. I'll do landscape one then. Okay, just don't want to fuck up these mics. Oh my. Good. It's so good actually. Ooh, go back. I think your hands were a little closer. Down. Nice. One sec. Chin up. Yeah, right there. Come a little closer. Yeah, just want a little more light and create a little depth of field from that background. Ooh, I like that wind. Oh, no worries. If it happens again, I'll let you know. Oops, one sec. Do some testing. Yeah, I really like the colors here. Her bikini matches the background. We got really neutral tones. Cute. Stay there. Ooh, I like that. Good, good. One more. Sweet. I might actually get you back up against that. The bamboo here. Let's see how this light is. Oh, actually, let's go this way. There's that blue tarp behind. Stand right in front of this chain. Yeah. I'll scooch a little this way because there's a V, and back up. Right there. Nice. That's dope. One sec. Good. Good, good. Ooh, I like that. Gorgeous. Good. One more. Nice. Anything else I want to play with in here? Let me see how this light is. Good, right there.
Let me know if I'm in your frame, okay?
No, definitely not. Ooh, that's amazing. Stay there. It's gorgeous. All right, now we're gonna bust out the trusty old film. Oops, stay there. I like that pose, so we're gonna redo it again with film. Let me get my light meter. Oh, I'll have to take off this ND filter. She's dark over here. We're shooting 1/500th of a second at 1.8 on 400 ISO film. And our meter is good. Now we pull focus, which is tough, but I think we got it. 1, 2. It's gonna be dope. Love it. Okay, we're gonna do a few more just because that was one photo. Cute. Love it. So good. No, go back. Yeah. Nice. Looking down to that left shoulder. I'm gonna pull this way and get my focus again. Nice, nice. Eyes to me, actually. Good. Nice. All right, now we're gonna bust out the trusty old Google Pixel.
Are we doing this one again?
Yeah, same pose. See who did it best. Nice. 1, 2. Good. One more. Gorgeous. Looking down. Ooh, right there. Nice. 1, 2. Good. Tilt the head a little bit back to get a little more light that way. Amazing. Good. 1, 2. Right there. Thinking I might just shoot the girls in the water. This background might be too busy with 2 girls, so I'm thinking a simple blue background with the waves crashing in might be pretty cool. Clouds are kind of dramatic, so should create some sweet photos.
In the water or outside of the water?
Maybe knee high. Knee high. Tide's coming in, so we might have to be quick here. Even though I'm shooting 2 girls, I'm still shooting 1.8. I'll just have their heads on the same focal plane, so both eyes will be in focus, and that's all I really care about. Ooh, good. Colors are dope. Now I'm just waiting for one wave to come splash them. Ooh. With these girls, you don't have to do a lot of directing, but oh, that's really good. Now, Leticia, go back, head in. Yeah. Nice. Good, good. One more. What about one girl like resting their head on the other girl's shoulder? That could be kind of cool. Let me see. We'll try both, and then we'll see. Good. That's amazing. So good. Stay there. Ah, I love it. These are fire. Don't grab the hand, it seems a little. Yeah. On the thigh, I don't mind. Let me see. Yours is good. I like that better. Good. Nice. Woo. Good. Alright, I'm gonna bust out the film. I like that pose. We'll stay there. Oh, it's perfect. Woo. I don't think the water likes 35mm film too much, but this is sick. 1, 2. Sweet. I'll do one more. Good. 1, 2. My Sony does not like this water at all. Oh, nice.
You want us to do the same thing again?
Yeah, similar. Good. We'll go this way. Good. Right there. Nice. All right, we're gonna go to town and see if we can grab some street portraits just before the sun goes down. Let's grab a drink at this place and see if I can do something with the Candlelit and natural light and see if that works.
That'd be cool. Let's do it.
That's what I was thinking, like maybe sit by that candle there. Put the flowers behind the candle. So sweet. Oh yeah. Oh, this is amazing. All right, so we're shooting at 1/80th, so we're gonna get a lot of ambient light from those candles. There's a light along the ground here, a bunch of red, and we got a little blue from the natural light. Should be pretty sweet. It's actually amazing. Good. This is so good. Nice. One sec. Yeah, right there. Sit up a little more naturally, just like you're... I like leaning on it, but don't bury your head in there too much. Good. So good. One sec here. Yeah, right there. Haha, fire. So good. Hold on, I want to try that on my phone. Ooh, I think the phone might be the winner. Looking at me?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a phone picture for myself in the drink.
Yeah, right? Looking at me? Good, good. Free up that hair on that eye. Yeah, good, good. Oh, that's the one. Stay there. So good.
So this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We totally forgot to film the ending, but thank you so much, Jason, and our beautiful models, Leticia and Alyssa. Don't forget to check out all of them. I will leave links for everyone involved in this video in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!